Back here with part two. Just a refresher for compound interest and future value of ordinary annuity. There is one lump sum that grows over time in compound interest. And in future value of an ordinary annuity, recurring payments are made into an account. Payments go in, the value grows, a payment goes in, the value grows, etc. On and on it goes. Present value of ordinary annuity, recurring payments are coming out of an account. Payments come out, the remaining value grows by compound interest. The next payment comes out, the remaining amount grows by compound interest, and on it goes. And so if we take a quick look at these three, compound interest, would look, as we've seen before in GeoGebra and such, a curve that goes like that. Future value of an ordinary annuity, or an annuity due, either way. A payment goes in, the amount increases a little bit by compound interest. Payment goes in, the amount increases. 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 And so this is going to grow faster than it would if it was just compound interest, because we are also adding payments to it that are continuing to make it grow. Present value of ordinary annuity. We don't start down here at zero like we do with these two. We start up here with, let's say, $1 million. There's a ton of money in this account. We take a payment out. What's left grows a little bit. We take a payment out. What's left grows a little bit. We take a payment out. What's left grows a little bit. And so on. And so you can see that the remaining amount of money in the account continues to grow as it's left there after a payment has been taken out. And so what ends up happening through the course of a person's life who's planning for retirement, like we'll call this Schlegel here, I'm putting money in to my retirement account right now. It's going to behave like a future value of ordinary annuity. Once Schlegel is old, so here's Schlegel with a cane, I will hopefully have a ton of money in the account, and I'll be taking money out. But again, every time I take money out, what's left grows. And so by doing this, instead of just taking my retirement out all at once and stuffing it in a sock under the mattress or whatever, I'm making more money by letting my money continue to work for me in retirement while there is an amount of money that is still substantive in the account. And so this can actually be done, folks, and we'll talk about some of these instances where a person could be taking out enough in retirement to live comfortably, but there is so much money in the account that the interest that is being gained actually outperforms how much is being taken out. And in that instance, what ends up happening, this is like a pipe dream. For most people, this is not what's going to happen. This would be, we'll call this graph the great graph. In retirement, you start with $1 million and you take a payment out, but there's so much money in the account compared to the amount of the payment that how it bounces back is actually higher. You take a payment out and then it's higher again. You take a payment out and then it's higher again. You take a payment out and then it's higher again. You take a payment out and then it's higher again. This is, you may have heard through your life of someone living off of interest. And if someone's able to do that, what that would look like, everyone, is that we would have our payment again come out like this. Let's say we're taking out $8,000 a month. There's so much money in the account that the account grows, the interest grows by 10,000. And so then the next time we take out 8,000, we have 2,000 more dollars than we did when we started. And then again, it goes up 10,000 more. So we keep gaining $2,000 in the account every month. It takes a really, really, really large account to make that work. I'm not sure that I will be able to get to that place by the time that I retire, although that would be awesome. And just summing this up again, everyone, once more, the compound interest, we are pretty familiar with that. The future value of ordinary annuity, payment goes in, grows by interest, payment goes in, grows by interest. Present value of ordinary annuity, payment comes out, it grows, payment comes out, what's left grows, payment comes out, what's left grows. And if you're someone like super rich, you'd be able to pull this off where you're taking less money out of the account than it is gaining in interest, and that account will never run out of money. It will just keep growing forever. Wouldn't that be pretty sick right there?